Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're mastering the art of whipping egg whites to soft peaks. This fundamental skill is a must-know for many baking recipes, and while it may sound daunting, it's actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. So what do we mean by soft peaks? When we beat egg whites, we're introducing air into the mix, causing them to expand in volume and get fluffy. Soft peaks form when the whites can hold their shape, but the tips fold over, a bit like a cresting wave. Let's break down the steps to getting perfect soft peaks every time. First off, we've got our egg whites. Room temperature is best because it allows them to whip up more easily. And make sure there's no yolk in there. The fat and yolk can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Also, cleanliness is key. Make sure there's no trace of oil or water in your bowl, whisk, or any other equipment you're using. Even the smallest amount can affect the outcome. So clean, dry tools are a must for whipping egg whites to perfection. Next, the right bowl is crucial. Stick to stainless steel or glass. Plastic bowls can retain oils, which, like egg yolk, can interfere with peak formation. Now, here's a pro tip. To stabilize the egg whites, we can add a little helper: cream of tartar or lemon juice. Just a pinch of cream of tartar or a few drops of lemon juice can go a long way in helping your egg whites hold their structure. It's time to get whipping. Start with your whisk or hand mixer on a low speed, then gradually work up to medium-low. This helps create small and even air bubbles. As we begin to whip, we'll notice the egg whites start to froth. That's our cue to sprinkle in our secret ingredient, cream of tartar. This helps stabilize the egg whites, creating a sturdy foundation for our peaks. As we continue to whip, you'll see the egg whites transition from a frothy mixture to forming tiny, consistent bubbles. When you spot this change, it's the perfect time to start gradually adding in our fine sugar. Remember, gradual addition is key to ensure it blends well and helps stabilize the egg whites, fortifying the formation of our soft peaks. Keep a close eye on the process so you don't overbeat. When you see the egg whites forming a peak that folds over slightly as you lift your whisk or beaters, you've hit the soft peak stage. It's a beautiful sight, right? And there you have it. Perfect soft peaks. Practice is key, so don't worry if you don't get it right on the first try. It's important to remember that egg whites can go from soft to stiff peaks quickly, so always stay vigilant. So that's how you whip egg whites to soft peaks. It might take a little practice, but once you master this, you're well on your way to creating amazing meringues, soufflés, and other delicious treats. I hope this video has demystified the process for you and given you the confidence to try this at home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more handy cooking tutorials.